Yeah, hello to the Foundational Infrastructure Working Group meeting on 4th of January, our first meeting for this year. Yeah, we are not so many here. I think this will be a short one. Let's start with the next filling up the. Let me shortly fill up the meeting notes. And we can proceed. Let's Okay, so let's check the open PRs. So we have the first one on our project page. Waiting for March. It's about updates on the ERB templating talks.
And Aaron Price has given his approval, and he was the only one making some remarks, and I've answered those. Yeah, I don't know if we need more reviews, but that's up to you, given the usual way of doing of this working group.
I haven't had a chance to look into the change. I'm not sure.
So these are renamings related to the job word being used in the Bosch version 1 context.
Yeah.
And so the tests are passing, and there is no change in behavior at all.
Yeah. The change is quite big. I think it makes sense that we get another review on this one.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay.
And I will put back. So we have already assigned people here for review. So they just, yeah.
And the individual commits are specifically tailored to reduce each set of changes. Actually, I could have, in some other projects, open source projects, maybe people would have told me, listen, you have 5 commits, you do 5 PRs. Well, just maybe next time it's better that I split the changes.
Yeah, you have the risk that one commit blocks the overall PR. But check. We can split if we see something that one change is blocking everything else.
Yeah, but
So
Aaron
difficulty
already has reviewed it, right? Like, so I would wait for another review and then we can merge.
Okay.
But yeah, thank you, Benjamin, for looking into this. It's cleaning up stuff is yeah, really appreciated. We have here another change which introduces the metrics for the deploy config. So we have one approval here. Yeah, it's quite small change actually. I don't know. We can wait for another approval. There are many people assigned. It should be quite easy to get. So this is basically a metric which you can use to display whether the global deploy flag config is enabled or disabled. This was contributed 1 month ago or 2 months ago, and can be used when there are issues in global scale. So you can just activate a global flag for the deploy command with that one. And this is about to have metrics. Actually, it should be not so high risk. This one is still waiting for changes. Yeah. I see. Okay, this is up to date. Add compile command. Didn't get any review until yet, so still on the discussion.
Wait,
So
how has this been released?
it looks like the CLI site has been released.
But there's no Bosch CLI site.
I've been wondering. Okay.
Oh, oh, that's just the YAML change. Was that was a dependency probably of the other PR.
Bump to between the release manifest package. Yeah, this is YAML change bump. Yeah.
Yeah, that was a dependency for that agent change. But then why? So the Bosch CLI is used as a dependency in the Bosch agent, probably.
Okay.
I think that's how it all works.
By merging this, we can run the Bosch CLI dependency and then the Bosch agent.
But then I'm wondering if the PR needs to be updated. Probably not. But like, does it? Probably it already got auto bumped.
Use the same. Is it still? No, YouTube. Is it still? I think the last comment was that it is force pushed. Is this? It looks like this force push updated the PR.
Yeah, that was 2 days ago. That makes sense.
Yeah, but yeah, still waiting for review here. And the state is pending review. Okay. ERB templating, we just discussed. Allow setting different lock levels. Also waiting for review. This also depends to the Bosch util change, which is at the moment blocked. Waiting for changes here. So use snapshot apt when building from tech. There was a new suggestion by Joseph maybe Ramon, have you had a chance to look into this?
No, not really, but yeah, it's a nice idea. But I think last time I spoke to him, it was also like he wanted to change. He had other ideas again as well. So
Let's discuss this in the working group meeting next week if he's
Hmm.
back.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's not in a hurry for this. So
Enable metrics. We just looked into that one. Adding support for GPU variant.
look at this.
So there are requested changes.
Yeah, the whole exclude thing, that's the whole issue I had with FIPS as well.
Mhm.
Because we now have the notions of exclude, and it would be nicer if we change this to include. But
But yeah, discussions are ongoing. We have one new populate stem cell OS when manifest contains only the name.
Hmm.
So there was a PR which aimed to fix this.
yeah, that was for FIPS at that point, because they tested stuff, and if they had because they had the same stem cell OS name, but the file name, and we say which version it is, basically FIPS or the graphics one for in the future. It's only in the file name, and I think this is what this is about.
Mhm. Yeah. So, but the previous PR didn't consider that the diff won't work properly, and now this is aiming to fix the diff. And
Yeah, just assign reviewers and we'll look at it.
yeah. Regarding the issues, so we have one issue.
Yeah, that's just a memory for me,
mm,
or for anyone who wants to pick it up.
And December 15. So I think we had our last meeting December. What's
Maybe on
Right.
that bump one, set it to open for contribution, right?
Yeah,
yeah.
you can set it open for contribution.
Yeah. Yeah, correct. Hey, is there anything else?
Boy, no one is going to pick it up anyway.
Um,
Nothing from my side.
Want to say something, Benjamin? Or
no, I'm preparing some docs review.
okay.
Nothing much. I may pick some work. Maybe that last bump open for contribution. Anything. Just providing a little bit of help, and that's it.
Okay. Okay, then we are done.
For me, is maybe Ruben. Do you know because there hasn't been done a final cut. There has not been a release cut for the director on the OSS stem cell yet. Do you know if there's any plans within VMware to do that or chase after this or?
Sorry, OSS stem cell? What do you mean?
The OSS Bosch director.
Oh,
CI.
the CI. Not ready
Yeah.
yet. That's what you mean.
Yeah, and
I think it's still being worked on, but I haven't. I mean, I've been out for more than a week, so I still need to sync with the rest of them. This is my first meeting. So.
yeah, but I didn't want to cut a release yet because I don't know what if the other CI is also already like basically done and what we are doing with versions, etc.
Yeah, no, I would wait.
Yes, I'm not going to do it by myself, but
Yeah.
okay.
Okay.
Good.
Thanks.
See you.
Thanks. See you next week. Bye.
Have a
Yeah,
great
bye.
start of the year and see you. Yeah. Bye bye.